Hey, so you know how sometimes when you're with someone and you feel like you say maybe they have a great vibe, and you feel like time spent with them kind of energized you, and there was a energy that they were putting off that was positive, that was vibrant, that was attractive, and you feel that, right? When you've interacted with someone and there's just positivity and just a something that you take away, that you're uplifted by spending time with them. And the opposite is also true, right? You have interacted with someone, and this can happen in various ways. It can be an email that comes in, and you read that tone, and it is like, oh, yeah, that was negative. That was a downward thing. Or that you interact with someone. Maybe you kind of meet someone, and there's just kind of like these vibes going off that you don't trust them. You don't feel comfortable in their presence, and or else that someone but they've come into the room and there's just an aura about them that is negative, that is downward, that is coming against you. All right. So energy is a real thing, right? So there are, you want to talk about it as spiritual forces. You want to talk about it as energy. And one of the things that we can do is through our bodies, and Qigong teaches us this, that we can repel or release negative energies. And so one of the things that we always need to do is on a daily basis, just kind of making sure our energy is high. It's just out of the overflow of that which was within us, that we have something positive to offer to others, right? But if our tank is less than full, then there's space, right, where some negativity can come in. And in this world, we've got that all around us, right? We've got different things. It can come in from uh, the news, it can come in from a interaction with a friend, family member, or stranger. It can come with an interaction on the street while driving, all those kind of things. And so one of the things we need to learn to do is to release that negative energy which has come against us, or which we recognize has that we've received some of that in. Okay. So I want to go through a number of practices that can help us to eliminate that negative energy. All right. So the first one is an expunge, to expel. And this is the earth has a energy, a magnetic energy, and that's why people do grounding, that type of thing. And about photosynthesis, where plants take in that carbon dioxide, and then they release oxygen. So in the same way, the earth can recycle our energy, and it can give off to us a positive energy, the magnetism that we want. So we want to expunge. So the first thing I want you to do is raise your arms above your head and just make a gentle fist. Okay. And then we're breathing in on our way up. We'll go up on our heels. We go down. So we go up. As we go down, I'm opening my hands. You can see those, okay? But just envision as you go up on your toes and you expunge, you expel, your heels are releasing negative energy into the earth. You just want to continue that, and just envision in your mind taking that out of your system, sending it back to the earth to be recycled, to have that photosynthesis occur. Recycle that by going up on your heels. Imagine that expelling as you drop down. There's a specific type of energy you've felt or experienced. You can just envision that and then release it. Into my nose, out their mouth. Okay, so that's one that you can do on your own. Okay, the next one is called venting, and this is a Qigong practice that helps you release, and it can be done, kind of in the moment, because it can be done subtly. Okay, so I'm going to first do it like if you're by yourself, and you want to breathe in deeply through your chest. Use that ha, long ha sound. You're going up, and then you're just releasing, and you're just seeing that go out your fingertips. Okay, you're releasing it back to the earth. Make sure it's a big, deep chest breath. Now, if you're in the presence of someone, you can do this more subtly. Okay, so there's a situation going on, and that negative energy is coming towards you. You can do that silently. But just imagine, maybe you can't even lift your hands up, but you can have your hands out. You can take that deep chest breath. You can imagine it going out your fingertips. You're just taking that conscious recognition step of, I release this. Okay, you can continue to do that, particularly in a stressful situation where that you feel that negative energy coming towards you, and you want to protect yourself from that, and you want to release that. Okay, the third one is called Heart Protector, and it is what it is. It is protecting your heart, and so we're bringing in a physical movement piece of this. The Qigong practices are a movement meditation, like a getting in touch with your spiritual side through movement, and not making those separate, the spiritual and the physical, but of bringing those two pieces together. And so the third one, the Heart Protector, is an emotional protection, immune system protection for your heart, to protect and to release. Okay, so with this one, it's a gentle movement, and we're bringing up so the protection over our heart, and then we're going to release this slowly as we move towards our knee and push it out. And we bring it back up, move, and we move it towards the other knee. Breathe in, protect, release. This is a flowing movement. You want to do slowly. Just envision like you're in water that's up to your neck, and you're just enjoying that water, and you're moving, flowing in that water. You're doing it nice and slow, pushing it out. Protect the heart. You push it out. Protect the heart. Push it out. I'm breathing in, picking it up, protection, and I'm pushing it out. I'm forming that shield, and I'm flowing out. Form the shield, flow it out. Do this for a minute. The slow movement of Qigong, the flowing movement, is bringing a sense of safety to our body, and it's part of that kind of meditative process of helping our nervous system to regulate, helping our nervous system to be able to release any fight or flight hormones, those stress hormones that have accumulated as that negative energy came towards us. And now we're just flowing and releasing that, protecting our heart, shield, heart protector, push it out. Heart protector, push it out. Okay, and once you feel like you've done that process and you've had some of that, you've pushed that negative energy out and you've protected your heart. Okay, and the final thing we want to do is just stand in a shield position. All right, so we bring our hands over our heart, and now we're just in that shield position, and we're just envisioning that as a shield going out all around us, right? All around us, going over our head, it's going around our back, coming to full circle, and it's just a protection. So, in the spiritual realm, we just want to envision the armor of God that is being placed upon us, that's coming around us, and we're just physically bringing that into awareness, that armor of God. We're receiving that, and we're guarding against the negative energy that would come against us. We just sit with that. We understand that. But the physical movement of this, just to hold this position, is that awareness to our body that it's being protected, it's going to be safe. We're bringing that around us, okay? So I just want you to work through these. The first one was that expunge, where we went up, we went down. Next one was the venting with the chest. Seeing it out through your fingertips. Third was the heart protector, okay? We did that and we flowed, pushed it away. We protected, we pushed it away, pushed it out, pushing it back into the earth to be recycled. The fourth one was that shield position, just putting that spiritual armor on us and around us in that heart protector position. Okay? So that's a way that we can get involved with protecting our energy and letting go of and repelling the negative energy that is out there trying to come towards us from an individual, situation, news, whatever that is. Okay, hopefully that's helpful for you today.